Today, the world's food system strains at its seams. 1 billion people go hungry each night, while another 2 billion face malnutrition. Agriculture, in its current form, is a leading cause of deforestation, biodiversity loss, and freshwater depletion. Our reliance on synthetic fertilizers pollutes waterways, degrades soil health, and releases potent greenhouse gases. The challenge is clear: we must produce more food on less land with fewer inputs and a lighter environmental footprint. But the future of food need not be a dystopian landscape of scarcity and environmental ruin. Emerging fields in biotechnology offer a powerful toolkit to transform how we feed the world. Imagine a future where crops are engineered to thrive in harsh conditions, where precision fermentation creates novel forms of protein, and where data-driven insights optimize every aspect of the food chain. This is not science fiction, but a future within reach, driven by the revolutionary potential of biotechnology. Biotechnology is not new to agriculture. For millennia, humans have selectively bred plants and animals to enhance desirable traits. Today, however, we stand at the cusp of a new era, one where we can directly manipulate the genetic makeup of organisms to achieve unprecedented results. Gene editing tools like CRISPR allow scientists to make precise changes to DNA, enabling the development of crops with enhanced nutritional value, disease resistance, and resilience to climate change. Imagine rice fortified with vitamin A to combat childhood blindness, or wheat that requires a fraction of the water used today. Picture crops that fix their own nitrogen from the air, eliminating the need for polluting synthetic fertilizers. These are just a few examples of how biotechnology can help us address some of the most pressing challenges in food production. Gene editing offers a level of precision and speed that traditional breeding methods cannot match. By targeting specific genes, scientists can introduce beneficial traits without altering the overall genetic integrity of the plant. This minimizes unintended consequences and accelerates the development of improved crop varieties. This technology also holds immense potential for livestock. Imagine chickens genetically resistant to avian influenza, or pigs that produce less methane, a potent greenhouse gas. These advancements can improve animal welfare, reduce the environmental footprint of livestock production, and enhance food security. Beyond gene editing, other branches of biotechnology offer transformative solutions. Synthetic biology, for instance, allows scientists to engineer entirely new biological systems, such as microbes that produce valuable compounds like pharmaceuticals or biofuels. Water scarcity is a growing global crisis, and agriculture is a major consumer of freshwater resources. Biotechnology offers innovative solutions to reduce water consumption in agriculture. Drought-tolerant crops are being developed through genetic engineering, minimizing the need for irrigation. At the same time, smart irrigation systems powered by sensors and artificial intelligence can precisely deliver water where and when it's needed, maximizing efficiency and minimizing waste. These technologies not only conserve water, but also reduce the environmental impact of agriculture by minimizing runoff and soil erosion. Moreover, biotechnology can help us reclaim degraded land for agricultural use. Bioremediation techniques utilize microbes to remove pollutants from soil and water, paving the way for sustainable farming practices in areas previously considered unsuitable. Data science and artificial intelligence are rapidly transforming every aspect of our lives, and agriculture is no exception. Imagine farms equipped with networks of sensors that monitor soil conditions, plant health, and weather patterns in real time. These data are then fed into sophisticated algorithms that optimize irrigation, fertilization, and pest control, ensuring that every input is used with maximum efficiency. Drones equipped with advanced imaging technology can survey vast fields, identifying signs of disease or nutrient deficiencies before they become visible to the human eye. This allows farmers to take targeted action, minimizing crop losses and reducing the need for broad-spectrum pesticides. The integration of big data and AI in agriculture promises to boost yields, conserve resources, and enhance the sustainability of farming practices. Nature has evolved intricate symbiotic relationships between organisms, and biotechnology allows us to harness these relationships for agricultural benefit. For instance, nitrogen-fixing bacteria living in the roots of legumes convert atmospheric nitrogen into a form usable by plants. Scientists are exploring ways to extend this symbiotic relationship to other crops, reducing our reliance on synthetic nitrogen fertilizers. Similarly, mycorrhizal fungi form mutually beneficial relationships with plant roots, enhancing nutrient and water uptake. Biotechnological approaches can optimize these interactions, leading to healthier plants and increased yields. By mimicking nature's elegant solutions, we can create more sustainable and resilient agricultural systems. The environmental impact of agriculture is undeniable. Deforestation, biodiversity loss, and greenhouse gas emissions are all major concerns. Biotechnology offers a path toward a more sustainable future by reducing the environmental footprint of food production. Genetically modified crops requiring fewer pesticides and fertilizers lessen the chemical burden on ecosystems. Drought-resistant crops and precision irrigation reduce water consumption, mitigating the strain on freshwater resources. Moreover, biotechnology can help us reclaim degraded land, transforming barren landscapes into productive farms. By embracing these innovations, we can shift agriculture from a source of environmental degradation to a force for ecological restoration. As we develop these powerful biotechnologies, it is crucial to ensure that their benefits are shared equitably. Access to these advancements should not be limited to wealthy nations or large corporations. Smallholder farmers in developing countries, who often face the greatest food security challenges, must be empowered to benefit from these innovations. This requires investment in research, infrastructure, and education tailored to the needs of developing countries. International collaboration and open-source sharing of knowledge and technologies are essential to ensure that the biotechnologies of the future are used to uplift all of humanity and not exacerbate existing inequalities. The food system of 2050 will be vastly different from the one we know today. Precision fermentation, a process that uses microbes to produce specific proteins and nutrients, will become a cornerstone of food production. Imagine a world where meat, dairy, and eggs are produced without raising animals, reducing the environmental impact and ethical concerns associated with conventional livestock agriculture. Vertical farms, powered by renewable energy and optimized for resource efficiency, will sprout up in urban centers, bringing fresh produce closer to consumers. These innovative approaches, combined with advancements in gene editing, data science, and synthetic biology, will reshape the food landscape, offering a tantalizing glimpse into a future where food is abundant, nutritious, and sustainably produced. The challenges facing our food system are immense, but so are the opportunities. Biotechnology offers a powerful toolkit to transform how we feed the world, offering solutions to hunger, malnutrition, and environmental degradation. By embracing innovation, promoting equitable access, and fostering collaboration, we can create a future where everyone has access to safe, nutritious, and sustainably produced food. The fields of the future are not barren landscapes of monoculture crops, but vibrant ecosystems teeming with life, where technology and nature work in harmony to nourish humanity. This is not a utopian dream, but a tangible vision, within our grasp if we choose to seize it. The seeds of change have been sown, and the harvest of a brighter future awaits.